Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for your purchase and for your support. My name's Amada, and I'm just going to go over the basics with Canva. If you haven't already, make sure to create your free account, or you can also just start with the pro. If you like the features, you can always cancel within the first month, I believe. So let's take a look at the portfolio. So here it's just a shape, and then I also recommend you make an additional copy once you download the template, or just create a separate document. Here it says duplicate page, and you can make a copy, and then it'll update the page number. Let's say you want to remove the image that's in the background or remove the color, you can drag it and then just delete the picture that's in the background by clicking on it, deleting it. And then you can just bring the color back, or you can search here on the left for photos or upload your own. But you want something that's not going to make you look too chaotic. So what we had before was the light bulb. Let's say we want to add makeup. So you could so that's how you would drag a picture and drop it in once you upload your own. I'm just going to undo. I'm just going to set it as a background image. And then you just start. So I'm going to set it as a background image right now so that I have more control. And so now I can start shaping it. And then that's how you get the images in there. And then you just resize it. You can also just do like a portion and not have that color over. Just have it, whatever. You get the point. And then you can either remove this and then just having the image, which looks pretty cool. Okay, so then you can update the fonts, and then if you're just using the free account, then it's going to show you which fonts images are free, and then you can filter as well and set it as free. Whatever is pro, then you'll just see a little crown next to it, and then you'll have to pay or just not use it. So here, same thing, I added an image, and then we have 3 photo frames where you can showcase your work some more, go through the resume. It's generic, but some information may be helpful. You can also use, of course, from the scripts down below. This is the cover page. And then if you'd like, this is just something that I worked on earlier. You can completely detach the image or get rid of this altogether and just leave it clean and simple as is, which is the cover letter. Oh, by the way, whenever there's a pencil here, it allows you to edit certain things, but right now it is locked here on the right. Now it's unlocked and everything is grouped. So that way you can move things around easily. Okay, let's say you want to share your social media. I created this folder. You can either enter a website, or if you have a portfolio link, then you would highlight the section and then copy, and then wherever you have your image or file that you're going to share, for example, let's say you want to share your resume. So I use Google Drive. I already have it saved in a folder specifically for images. And let's say this is a PDF. I'm going to right click, share, or did it say get a link? Okay. It's going to allow me to share the file, and I have the option of either giving people access or not. In this case, anyone with the link can view this file. Otherwise, whatever folder or files I have in this folder, they'll have access to everything. So now they're just viewer, and then you have the option there, copy, and I'm going to copy this link and add it to the Canva template. I'm going to save this. It's a cover letter. Okay, I'm going to save the cover letter. And then I'll be able to see I'll have access to the link PDF. Now I want to select the correct file. So it'll be the cover page, and then I should be able to download. Okay, so I've downloaded the file. I'm gonna open it. I thought I had it open. Okay. So now we have access to that link. You click on it, and then you can remove that underline in the Canva template, which I forgot to do. And then this link is gonna take that person to that file that I've shared. And then that way you can just share your resume or cover letter, and then my timer. That way they have time to look through your images. And then there's references that you can also update. Okay, so we've downloaded the PDF file and shared our links. So now to update the cover letter, scroll down to the scripts. So here we have multiple opening statements, which you can use as a summary for your resume, which you should have access to adding. And then of course I'll go to the cover letter. Okay, so I went too high. So this is a portfolio. So here with the resume, you can have a little statement here, and you can edit, of course, add information from the scripts to the cover letter as well, listing your skills, achievements, and last position that you had, possibly going into detail how you help gain some profit for the company. And that's also very intriguing and important. And so here you have information, additional. There was just a lot that seemed to make sense. And then of course you have the body, which you can also include into the resume, the cover letter, and then go further into just simple thank yous, which you can use for the ending of the interview. Some basic questions. However, you can go ahead and update, edit any information that you don't need, that doesn't even pertain to you. That way you have it less chaotic, but there's just always information that you may not have thought of or whatever. And then ending interview statements, just thanking them and saying this is why I'm great for the position. That's pretty much it. And then salary sample letter if you need it. And then everything's titled, color coded to make it easy to navigate through. And then if you have any questions, you can reach out to me at SkullHeaDesigns. My name is Amala, and just send me a message there and I will respond to you. And then again, just mess around with the template, see what you like. And then here's the resume and portfolio. All right, thank you so much. Have a great evening. Stay safe and let me know how it goes.